This is just a preview.
So why is it a good way to make money online? First of all, the startup costs are super low. To start a regular business where you rent retail space and stock inventory could easily set you back tens of thousands of dollars. As an affiliate, you can get started for the cost of a burger and fries. Another cool thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't need staff. No more office policies and no messy payroll handling. When you get started as an affiliate, you can do it all yourself. And when the time comes to grow your business, it's easy to outsource. Now, one of my favorite things about affiliate marketing is that you don't even need a product. You simply have to promote products which are already for sale. Whether it's an ebook about training your dog or a weight loss supplement, there is a product out there that you can sell as an affiliate. You don't need any expert knowledge on a subject to sell affiliate products either. If you want to be an affiliate for weight loss products, then you don't need a PhD in nutrition or exercise. All you need is an eager-to-learn mindset and the ability to market the right affiliate products to the right people. Now, as an affiliate, you have the opportunity to earn passive income. It's a bit like the money you earn if you buy a house and then rent it out. For as long as you own that house and are renting it out, you earn money. In a normal job, you only get paid once for the work that you do. But as an affiliate, you can keep making money for the same work day in and day out. And finally, one of the most exciting reasons to become an affiliate is the opportunity to work your own hours. Now, I'm not saying that you'll be sitting on a beach drinking pina coladas and only working an hour a day after the first month as an affiliate. However, you do have the power to work when it suits you and have a more flexible life. You become your own boss. How cool is that? But how much money can you actually make? Like any real...
Click the link above the video. Or visit mmn-global.com/business and get started with the Affilorama today. It's free. What are you waiting for?